Welcome back, everyone. It is Saturday, October 19th, 2024, and I'm out here. I just came back from trick-or-treating with my son at the Civic Center with moms, and after my son's swim meet, we had a great time. And after lunch, so these boxes have been outside my front porch for quite some time, so I'm doing a very impromptu, pardon my attire, pardon the mess here and the setup. I had to just do a retake because the camera kept falling. But I'm out here because I just unboxed the Hoya Lyi, and it is gorgeous. It is so beautiful. It is in this tiny little cup, but don't mind this mess. Look, I just literally unboxed all of this live plants. And when I was recording, I did open the Spiritisante first. Came packed with a ton of these synthetic fillers so that it doesn't bounce around. I understand that, guys. I'm gonna keep it so that when I do like my clippings, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that in there. Recycle, guys. And then I started, this is the Spiritisante. I opened it first, and then I started opening this box right here, and I really thought, because I grabbed this one first and I was like, wait, what's this? Because some Etsy sellers require for you to have two plants purchased before they even consider shipping the first one out. So I was like, okay, I did that today. What are the odds? Because I know none of the other ones were that way. And so I was like, I don't recognize the name of this Hoya. So I started opening this one first, and it's the Hoya Lyi, and they gave me one. I guess I don't know what this is, just in case this one doesn't survive. I don't know if that's the case. Well, look how beautiful she is. You guys, I'm sorry if I'm like emotional right now. This is so beautiful. Look, it's in this like little tiny cup. I feel like it's so tiny, and it's one leaf only. Like, it's only one leaf. I'm sorry. But I'm just hoping this grows, because I'm just thinking back to the PSS. And when I got that, it was a small tissue culture, and she's so big now, and I just hope that this grows very nicely. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just kind of emotional right now because this is just so small, you know. And I'm gonna see if this has roots. I don't think it's rooted. And like they said, the PSS that I had, that didn't make it, which that's the replacement. This is the replacement for the PSS. But I just hope this is such a beautiful plant, because I just, you know, it's like highlighter pink. The leaves in the Hoya Lyi are highlighter pink, and they're just so beautiful. They're so gorgeous, and they grow very nicely. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm crying right now, but I have faith, okay? I have faith that she's gonna grow very nicely. Look at how nice she looks. So she's in this little cup. She's got this little thing, this little tape. So I've got Spanish sphagnum moss here, and then Spanish sphagnum moss. I only brought 2 containers because I only received 2 boxes. Okay, so I was like, okay, let me go and prep. Okay, so I've got soaking Spanish sphagnum moss in here, and so that was gonna be for that. But this plant came extra with this one, and I don't think it's the same plant, which is fine. I obviously am super thankful for this Hoya that's in there. But I am going to put, it's really nice. I want to check the roots with you guys. I do want to just check the roots, and then I think I'm going to keep her in this little cup with whatever she's got. I live next to a highway, guys, so I apologize for the highway noise. Have you all ever had an experience like that? I mean, this is just one. Like, the PSS is so special to me. And the way that I've grown that little tissue culture into what it is right now. I just think along the ways. And right now, tomorrow's my son's birthday. And he's 4 years old, and he's just grown so much, and he's like he's a very good swimmer, and I just think along the ways of all the progress that, just everything that is just in my care and that God has blessed me with. But the little, like, you know, when you clean your eye makeup. I'm gonna use this for my eye makeup. It's just like, I had this little thing right here. Right in there. Like that. I kind of want to pull it out, but I don't at the same time. Because... I'm so sorry, guys. This is not the type of video. Excuse me. I kind of want to pull this out, but I don't. So I want to keep her in here, but I want to be so thankful. Hi. I want to have a moment with it. Just so beautiful and soft. I don't want to touch it too much. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm going to keep it in here. So pretty. So pretty. Thank you so much for existing. So beautiful. Oh my god, and I got this beautiful little speckle here on the side. Do you see that? Sometimes they have freckles on their variegation. And this one only has one. That's so pretty. That is such a cool feature. It's so rare. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Guys, if you can touch it, it feels so soft. Like it feels firm, but it feels so velvety at the same time. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And the back is even smoother. It's like even more velvety, even more smoother. It's all one piece. It's like just no scales at all. Just all velvet in the back. So pretty. And it's in this perlite moss mix. I'm going to keep it in here because obviously he survived. I think it's because my son's birthday is tomorrow and he's going to be 4 years old, and he's also one of my biggest growth accomplishments. My daughter will be 1 in November, so their birthdays are almost 7 months apart. 7 months apart, 3 years. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. I think this one is just a because. Unless I purchased... No, because I didn't purchase this one. I don't recall purchasing this one from the same seller. Did she just give me a gift? Again, this is the Hoya... all I see is Sosa. SOSA, right? I'm not crazy. And then this is like, I don't know, and then that's Hoya, and then that's, I don't know what that says here, and then a sample, I don't know. All right, but it looks like a Crimson Queen. Does it look like a Hoya Crimson Queen from this one leaf, guys? Like, I will keep her, and I will be very ever grateful. I did order a Hoya Crimson Queen, and she's on the way. You guys, my knife. I was gonna bring my scissors out here, but there's my knife. It's fine. But yeah, are you all enjoying? Are you prepping for Halloween? I usually do fall decor. I don't do Halloween, just because my babies are super sensitive to that stuff. And I usually do pumpkins. We usually go to Colbert's. I'm in Midwest Illinois. I'm in the Midwest in Illinois. That's all I have to say. Midwest Illinois. I'm in the Midwest, and today is exceptionally great weather. It is like perfect summer weather. It is in the high 70s, like, all right, mid 70s, but it feels like summertime to us. So we were out having a great lunch in the sun, and so I think we're like kind of sunbeat. Sun-stressed? Is that why I'm crying? What? Okay, so let me take this. Y'all, Halloween ready. Halloween ready. Okay, so hold on. All right, so we've got the same situation here, which is a great idea for future shipments. Little tape. Looks like Spanish sphagnum moss with some perlite. And what is this, guys? Comment below if you know what this is. What is this? But it looks like, from this leaf, it looks like the Hoya Crimson Queen, right? Am I just guessing wrong? Because the queen wears the gown, the princess wears the crown. No, wait. Yeah, the queen. All I remember is the queen wears the gown. So the gown is the white, and then the crown is like the inner variegation for the princess. So this is the Crimson Queen. But why would her other leaves be different? And she's got a little growth here. Wow, I really enjoy this. And she's got a little teeny minuscule growth right there. Oh my goodness. That's so awesome. All right, you guys, I'm gonna keep these two besties together, but this is the Lyi. Okay, we came here for the Lee. This is her. Should we check out the roots together? I don't want to disturb her, and I should get... I don't think I'm going to do that, because I don't have gloves anywhere in the vicinity, and I don't want to ruin her. She is beautiful. She is exactly what I thought she would be. And shout out to the seller. I don't have the... Okay, this was one cutting, and I think right now in my care she's probably been the most pricey living organism besides my children that I have ever owned. So in the planty world, she's it. Okay, she's it for the Hoyas. I'm just very ecstatic. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. Look at the back again. And you know what? So we just potted up some Spanish sphagnum moss for one plant. I thought the Lee would go in here. That's not happening. change, pivot as a mother. We always pivot, so we're just gonna keep these together, and we're gonna open up the Spirito Santi and put her in there. You all, I am just over the moon. Over the moon. Beyond ecstatic. I should be wearing gloves, but my hands are clean. Oh my gosh. I really need a tweezer for this to pull her out. I need a tweezer to pull her out. Because if you recall, I just shook her out of my hand. Like so. And she slowly came out. I don't want to pull her out. I want to pull, and this is white gel. It's not black gel, it's white gel. And she's got an aerial root. That's an aerial root right there. Right there. That's an aerial root. And so I will pull her out gently. I'm going to get gloves, okay? I'm not going to show that or record that right now because I don't have it out here, and I'm not going to do a 2-part. So that's her. She's going to go in here. And she will go in that northwest facing terrarium greenhouse situation that I have there for her. But I'm sorry, and I apologize, and I shouldn't apologize, but I just became a very tearful, very grateful, very grateful. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful this 2024. For so many reasons. I'm so grateful for this 2024. It's just been beyond amazing, beyond blessed with everything that my children are and with everything that my plans have shown. And I'm just utterly grateful for you all as well. And I just hope that you all are having a good end of 2024, and that you have a good Halloween. And look at how beautiful she is, guys. And this is the unboxing that I promised. And you all just have a blessed, beautiful Saturday. It is, again, October 8th, 19th, 2024. And yeah, may your plants thrive and grow, and love your plants. Love your plants. Love them. Love them. Love them like you love yourselves. Talk to them, enjoy them, and enjoy yourself. Enjoy the oxygen, and surround yourself in plants. Surround yourself. If you don't own any, that's fine, but appreciate them, love them, and know that they appreciate you. Until next time, God bless and take care.